In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize an Odoo website. Odoo includes a built-in website builder that makes it easy to personalize your site without needing to write code. That means you can update the design, adjust the layout, and create pages that better match your brand, all from within the platform. To get started, log into your Odoo account and open the website app from the main dashboard. Once you're inside, navigate to the page you want to edit. When the page opens, click Edit in the top right corner. This switches the page into editing mode, where you can begin making visual changes directly on the site. From there, you can drag and drop content blocks onto the page. These blocks include elements like banners, text sections, images, feature areas, contact forms, and product displays. This is one of the easiest ways to build or refresh a page because you can see your changes in real time as you arrange everything. You can also click on individual elements to customize them more precisely. For example, you can edit text, adjust fonts, change colors, update backgrounds, and fine-tune spacing. These settings help you create a cleaner layout and make sure the page feels consistent with your overall branding. When you're done editing, click Save to keep your changes. If you want to update the overall look of the site, go to Website, then Configuration, then Settings. Under Theme, select a different theme. From there, you can customize design details like colors, fonts, header style, footer style, and buttons. This is useful if you want a broader visual refresh across the entire website instead of editing one page at a time. You can also customize the header and menu. Open your website, click Edit, and hover over the header section. Here you can change the logo, update the navigation menu, and edit things like social media links and contact information. Since the header appears across much of the site, even small updates here can make a big difference. To customize the homepage specifically, go to Website and open Home, then click Edit. You can add sections such as a hero banner, featured products, testimonials, an FAQ, or a contact form. These sections help guide visitors and highlight the most important parts of your business. If you need to create more content, go to Website and click New Page. Enter a page name, then choose a template or start with a blank page. After that, design the page using the same drag and drop blocks. For more advanced customization, enable developer mode by going to Settings and activating developer mode. This unlocks deeper options like HTML and CSS editing, QWeb templates, JavaScript, and custom modules for developer level changes.